Hello everyone. So now we are moving forward towards the carbon credits. So let's see how can we purchase the credits and uh, like for that we have to create project, we have to create purchase, then we have to create sustainability credits on that on that purchase and the project. So let's move ahead and create a project. Uh, okay, so let's take some reforestation project. Mitigation type, this is like removal, which kind of benefit, like we can choose biodiversity. There are some other projects also. Project type, forest and forestry and land use we can take. We have other also, transportation, renewable energy, agriculture. There are a lot more. Description we can provide, whichever country in which this project exists we can choose it. External identifier, if that project has some particular ID that is given from some standard organization like SBTi and all, we can choose it. Epic we can choose. Funded by, if that project is funded by some NGO or by any uh, private limited, we can choose it. URL, project URL, if it has some website, like some project has some web and LinkedIn links are created. Project registry ID, if that is officially registered with some carbon credit agencies, then we can do it, and if it is verified we can do the verified by entity name. Agency name, standard agency name, so like climate, gold and standard, verified carbon credit agency. This depending on the type of agency we can select it. Carbon credit methodology and volunteer register name, so this also we can provide. So let's click on save. Now let's go. Okay, on this UI we have four fields like a total carbon credit purchase, total allocated. So these one will be updated based on the calculation when we either purchase or we allocate our carbon credits. So let's go and create a sustainability purchase. Okay, so for all our 2024 purchases we are creating this purchase. Type carbon credit. Purchase order number, if we have any we can do it. If external identifier, invoice number, description, if we have we can provide it. Billing address, if we have we can provide it, or we can leave it empty. So save. Now let's go and purchase the credits. Okay, so let's create a new purchase. Okay, was the carbon credit project, we have created just this project, we have created this credit purchase. What is the status, retired or held with registry, we can select it. Carbon credit retired date, so that is we can assume like 23 August. Credit issue date, like these were issued on 1st of August. Vintage year, we can assume like vintage year as 25. External identifier, if we have any we can do it. How much amount of credits are purchased, so suppose we are purchasing 1,000 or like 1,500, sorry, we can do multiple purchases. We can purchase 500 units. Cost per unit, assume it like $40 per unit, and purchase date we can assume that 24 August. Let's click on save. This is how we can purchase our credits, or like we can purchase more. We just have to click on clone. Similarly, 500 tons of CO2, cost per unit is same. Purchase date we can change of 23rd of August. So we have done two purchases of 500 and 500 tons of CO2 units. Okay, so in the upcoming videos we will check how to allocate the carbon credits to our emissions that was done on the annual emission inventories. Thank you so much.